topic to this, that. Hello children, today we are going to learn about where we have to use this and that. Children, I will explain you. Listen carefully. When something is near to us and it is 1 in number, we say this. When something is far away from us and it is 1 in number, we say that. To make you clear, I am showing a visual. Please see. Listen. Here are 2 elephants. One elephant is near to me, the other elephant is far away from me. For the elephant which is near to me, we say this. The elephant which is far away from me, we say that. This, that. I hope you got the point. Now we will move to the English reader, page number 19. First I will explain you. Children, you please listen. Here is a bag and there is a book. The bag is 1 in number and it is near to the girl. This book is 1 in number and is far away from the girl. You please see. So, this is a bag and that is a book. Children, see where the car is. The car is near to the boy and the van is far away from the boy. So, this is a car and that is a van. Moving to the next picture. See where the boy is. The boy is near to the girl and it is 1. So, we use here this is a boy and that is a girl. Children, listen. Where the bird is near to the boy. And see where the nest is far away from the boy. This is a bird and that is a nest. Children, see where is the cock? The cock is near to the girl and is 1 in number. The hen is far away from the girl and also 1 in number. So we use that. This is a cock and that is a hen. Hope you clearly understood about this and that. Now we will move to the exercise. Children, what you have to do? See the video and write this in your English copy. I will explain to you. Fill in the blanks with this or that. This is a frog. Children, see where the frog is. The frog is near to the sentence. So we use here this. THIS, this. Moving to the next sentence. First you see where is the spoon. The spoon is far away from the sentence. So we use here that. THAT, that is a spoon. See where the chair is now. The chair is near the sentence. So this is a chair. See where the button is. The button is far away from the sentence. So that is a button. Children, see where the eye is. The eye is far away from us and it is 1 in number. So that we use here THAT, that is an eye. Then I am moving to the second exercise which I had prepared for you. See the video. I am reading for you. ANSWER answer. TH the FOLLOWING answer the following. Children, see the first question. What is this? See where the stick is. It is near the sentence. So the answer is this is a stick. What is this? See the picture. It is the picture of an ice cream. This is an ice cream. ICE ice, CREAM cream. What is that? See the picture, children. What picture is? It is a radio. So that is a radio. RADIO, radio. What is that, children? See where the picture is. The picture is far away from the sentence. So that is a bird. BIRD, bird. Practice from your English book, page number 19 also. I repeat, write this in your English copy. Okay, children, we come to the end of this topic.